Warum gibt es ein T? Wie soll ich diese bescheuerte deutsch-englische Hybridsprache aussprechen? This is the Wellington Centre in Aldershot. First, these service lifts, which are awesome Schindler R-Series lifts. Schindler R-Series button. Yeah. There's an it's like, it says this button's... This door's stiff. The lift's here. The door is really stiff. I just cannot open it, and this one's locked. The button's stiff. Awesome Schindler R-Series. Sadly, I can't go in them because it's all the doors are. This door's locked, and those two have just the stiffest doors ever of any lift I've ever found. Here's another Schindler R-Series. Vandal resistant button this time. And this gate is jammed. These lifts are very poorly maintained. Can't open it because the gate's jammed. There's also here. Yes! I can get in. Schindler R-Series. SD. Another Schindler R-Series. So this one has stayed so stiff. Not only can I not get it open, but it won't close as well. Like this is a locked gate. This one has vandal resistant buttons. And the gate is very stiff. This one's been modernised. Can't be bothered. Also modernised. And this has this weird electricity noise. Another awesome Schindler R-Series. That gate was actually a lot. This one's actually pretty well maintained. Old indicator no longer works, sadly. Yes, it works! There are a lot of lifts and they end up not needing all of them. This one has its safety connector removed. Now to the Lidl car park lift. This one appears to be a 60s Schindler, or 70s Schindler, modernised by Schindler. Sadly, Schindler have this policy that often they'll, if you have a Schindler maintenance contract on the Schindler lift, they'll modernise your lift for free, which I think is rather sad. It's here. One. Let's go to 13.
Are you going? Up?
Up, yes.
Yeah.
It's got FI bus, it's got FI MX. This is the lift. 70 Schindler, modernised by Schindler. You can see how the new indicators have been fitted very crudely. These would be the original indicators. For some reason that lift has IC. You don't actually need a key. Not really a reason why they have that. These lifts have modern motors and sound boring. It's like the only thing that hasn't been replaced are the doors. Top floor. I'm going to up them now. Schindler. These mirrors are really confusing. That's actually an alarm fire exit. I think it's alarm. We all think that they can get through the shopping centre to come out of the lift. These are the galleries. Sadly the lift here is out of order. Dewhurst button, but it's of old 70s Dewhurst. I think this is an 80s lift. This shopping centre, a lot of this shopping centre is closed for renovation, and for some reason nearly all the shops are closed, so it's very quiet. This shopping centre is still open, yet it feels like it's completely abandoned. It's very spooky. This hydraulic lift, I think Hammond and Champness. It's accepted my call and it's working. Wow. Escalator's turned off. What escalator make is that? Okay. This is Hammond and Champness, this lift. Oh, it's the control panel says Furse. Or Dewhurst. Furse. Won't go. Come on. It's an inefficient lift. Nice Furse hydraulic. This one feels rather sort of 80s, 90s style. Escalators, not only they turned off, but for some reason they don't want you walking on them. And I'm going to take the bus now. I'm now into a car park where all three lifts are out of order and broken. I don't know how long ago that is. And this is my bus to Farnborough, the one. Rather rough ride. I think this is a Volvo chassis, and I think this is a Volvo chassis with Alexander Dennis body. Volvo chassis with an Alexander body.